Welcome back to the club. Now we're about to fry some fish. You have to let him fry a little. Let him try. Yes. Today is Sunday, you know, don't forget. Twice on Sunday. So later on we'll be going back and be drinking more. Family. And that's how we have a good time. It was like birthday yesterday, we had a bar. Lamb is fried. Soon I'm going to give you a little taste if you come down here. And the wood fire is the best cooking, don't forget. I'm going to let you have some. Yeah, man, we're working there, man. Soon we finish. Yo, to the world.
I always make sure that
to the world.
Any place that I rent, I
to the world.
I have kitchen over there.
To the world. Twice and Sundays. Heal up all the fans them out there, yeah? Okay, now this is what it looks like when it's over. Now that is what we call cooking.